Ciao a tutti ragazzi, what's up you guys? My name is Samuele Nocentini and yeah, welcome back to another vlog. It's Father's Day, Sunday. We're here on beautiful Vancouver Island and today, as I talked about in the last video, I've got a pair of keys here. We got these, they're of my Camaro, but we're not going to take that Camaro today. In fact, got another pair of keys here, and we're going to take this beauty right here. So this is my favorite Camaro ever. It's Bumblebee from Transformers here, and we're here with Jenine Rose.
Hello.
Welcome to the channel, and
thank you.
That's her Bumblebee right there. So.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and Jenine was very nice, and she's going to let me drive it. So
yes.
Yeah, without further ado, let's take it for a rip.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Okay. So yeah. So what year is this one here, Jenine?
1981.
1981. Oh. Can't wait. So let's start it. Oh my God. I love it. Okay. Can't believe this is happening. We'll take this baby for a rip. So Jenine, tell the guys there, you were saying this is actually closer Bumblebee to the movie because it makes some weird noises every now and then.
It sure does. We're gonna find out how many noises come out today. And a few quirks with turning on and off while you're driving, and we have a safety gorilla just in case.
It's got 350 under the hood there.
350 crate engine with headers. Yeah. Got to wrap the headers because they're getting a bit hot now.
Yeah. Yeah, this last week has been pretty stinking hot.
Yes.
I own my silver Camaro there just because of the movie Transformers. I fell in love with it the first time I saw it, and I love the 5th gen Camaro, but this one tops it all, you know. All those scenes, Bumblebee, this one coming out, it's just, oh, it's epic, and getting to drive it, it's very, very strong emotions, and I love it. Bumblebee on the channel, and I have it. That's super cool. Jenine owned a Mustang before this?
I've owned a few Mustangs before this,
yeah.
And I was easily swayed to the Camaro when this beautiful Bumblebee pulled into my driveway. I sold all my Mustang stocks and bought Camaro stocks instead.
I like making these videos and keeping it local to try to include everyone that wants to show their vehicle. And when these things happens, you know, I met Jenine at the car meet at the racetrack, and yeah, you know, I told her what I did, and she said, yeah, come on down and take the Bumblebee for a rip. So, you know, it's awesome. Yeah, and everyone's very nice, I think, in the car community, especially around here.
Yeah.
So it's pretty sweet.
Give her hard. And as you get up to it, shift down.
That's awesome. That's how you give it. I love how he brake gas. It's like boom, boom. Yeah, Jenine talked about taking it down here. We get some nice sound, and the background is pretty dope. It's pretty cool. So we'll get another couple of shots around here and continue our cruise downtown Victoria. Cool.
Autobots, roll out!
Found out that Bumblebee's got quite a bit of power there. I wasn't expecting. Hell yeah! Ain't no traction control in this thing.
No, no traction, no nothing.
And nobody got time for that. Bumblebee's thirsty. We've been burning some gas, maybe more tires than gas, but it's working out pretty good. Not the usual fill-up spot. That's great. I love it.
Little lady smiling over
I
there.
know, it's pretty amazing. Oh, there's another Camaro. Nice. Jenine is taking over. She said, "I'm a pussy driving this car," so she's going to show me how it's done. I think I'll need some new underwear after this.
You might.
I'm Bumblebee.
Getting more material for the channel here. Mustang, Wayere, that one? That's the new one.
2018 Whipple Supercharged. It's about 850 horsepower, 700 pound wheels of torque.
I think we should do that.
Yes. It's getting a brand new engine right now, so it'll be ready to rev.
Yeah. Jesus. Woo. If she offers you a ride, don't do it. Don't do it.
That's nice.
Just talking to Jenine about idea I had with my Camaro. I was thinking of putting twin turbo setup with that, and yeah, you were saying that would be pretty dope.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'd like to see them coming out almost like stacks.
Yeah.
Cut out the hood. I don't know if he's gonna do that, but I think that would be.
Yeah, we'll see. You guys let me know in the comments what I should do. It's the Camaro. So super huge thanks to Jenine here. I'm going to put. She's got a YouTube channel as well, so I put the links in the description and her Instagram account for sure. And I think we'll see her around again.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, anytime
Was-
you want to drive Bumblebee,
Oh,
these are yours.
look at this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, as usual, more stuff coming up every day, and hopefully I can get at least a video a week. That's what I'm aiming for. If I can get 2 or 3, that's even better. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, awesome. Peace out. Any more questions you want to ask?